Kaizer Chiefs, for the past 5 seasons now. I think we are playing this match as a third match or second match, but it's always in the first 5 matches, and I think that will become a little bit obvious. I think I've seen us playing it as a third match probably 2-3 times in the last 5 seasons. So, but it's nice, man, to play games with teams that are motivated, teams that also see an opportunity that they can capture. It makes the game very interesting for the spectators, and it makes the game very open and interesting for both teams.
Elephant in the room, coach. Big match, big name players. Some of your big name players have not seen action. Are we glad to see the return of the rested duo?
I think sometimes there's a lot of good players. So all the good players are playing.
Coach. Maybe just to follow up on the team, maybe just to be specific on the names. Do you see Mngqithi and Manqoba return for this match? Just to be specific.
They're always part of the selection process. There's no match where we have a part of the selection process. We just have to make the decisions. But they are there, they are competing, they're fit. Anything.